Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Camping with Jersey Joe. I'm going to take a very short video here. I know it's been a couple of days since I've been on the road. Anyway, let me show you where I'm at. Okay, this is the Scenic Overlook rest area in Las Cruces, off of I-10. There's a circle here where you see my vehicle parked, and my friends parked behind me. And this is a sort of inner circle here. This is where most of the RVs park. And as you can see, it looks very, almost looks like an RV resort, but it's a rest area. Then you have an outer circle. You see the truck pulling in right now, where the trucks and the single cars can park. And then, I was here a year ago. I spent the night here. It's free 24-hour parking. And this entire area overlooks the city of Las Cruces. So at night, everything is pretty lit up. Look at the mountains in the background. Just a fantastic place. You know, you almost want to stay here for a few days because it's so pretty and so unique. You have some areas where you can sit down, have a picnic lunch, walk through these dunes here. And here we go, looking at the city of Las Cruces and the mountains in the background. I mean, how awesome is that? Absolutely beautiful. And now let's go see the master of ceremonies for this little video. His partner in crime is not here, but a lot of you will remember and recognize the Roadrunner. It's not real. It is a statue. Look at that beautiful thing. And again, look at the area behind it. It's just awesome to have this area to enjoy. And it is absolutely picturesque out here. All the natural fauna, the sand dunes, the mountains in the background, and of course, the Roadrunner. Incredible. Anyway, we are on our way now in a few minutes. Stop here for lunch. We actually are reservations at a state park just outside of El Paso. So we'll be heading into Texas, not staying in New Mexico at all. And then moving on tomorrow, and hopefully moving on day by day to a new site, working our way up to Iowa. But we have to watch the weather. Right now the winds are sustained here in Las Cruces at about 21 miles an hour. What's good for us is that we're heading east and that the winds are at our back. But with all the weather problems that are occurring across the eastern U.S. and are coming from the west, once this big storm that was there yesterday dissipates, there's supposedly another one coming through for later in the week. So my friend Bill and I were just looking to hopefully, as we drive our way up to the plains, hopefully try to miss most of the storms, because if the wind's coming from the west and we're going north, that's broadside, and we have to watch what we're running into, so we don't get flipped over, as is prone to happen out here if people don't stop. So again, just a short video. I'll be posting this later today. Everybody have a great day.